And here we are with the man of the moment. We have none other than the real OG. Yes, of course, none other than Bohemia Baji with me. Good evening to you, buddy. How are you? Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you for having me, brother. It's always a pleasure being in Dubai. It's one of my favorite cities to party in, to be in. So I'm happy to be here.
My first question to you, you're known as the father of Desi hip hop. When you started, nobody even knew what was going on. And actually, people have followed you, and then a lot of artists have come up. Now, when I say that, how much pressure do you feel?
It's a utmost honor and a pleasure and a blessing to partake in a legendary industry that has inspired the whole world.
Yeah.
Our Desi music, going back to Kishore Da, R.D. Burman.
Yeah.
You go back to the Bollywood where it started, Noor Jahan ji,
Bilkul.
Lata ji.
Bilkul.
These are some of the names that come to mind when you think of Desi music. So amongst those legendary names, somehow you have my, name that comes into the list as an artist.
True.
It's a dream. It's I don't even belong there. And to be able to do something that other people can utilize is a very satisfying thing.
Yeah.
Desi hip hop is a true genre.
Absolutely.
So that's a very big, blessing from God. And I'm just living my dream every day, brother.
Wow. Bandana people,
That's
you've
right.
worked with them super close. Tell us more about them and your collab with them.
Well, this is my first time working with them, so let's see how good they do.
Yeah.
If they do very good, I'll work with them again. And if they don't do well, you'll never hear about them ever again. Stage pe jo maza hai, to sweat on stage, to perform for people, it's the ultimate khidmat. We are servants when it comes to as artists. We cannot wait to serve our people. So my people, my fans have always been my boss. And again, my bosses are coming, and I'm going to do my job.
The other question that I had is, now this is a big one. Who, according to you feel is going to take Bohemia's legacy forward?
Ooh. I don't think anyone can take anyone's legacy. When I came in the scene, I definitely didn't take anyone else's legacy. I created my own. So that's the advice that I give to the future Bohemia. And I'm sure in a few years, Desi hip hop will be a multi-billion-dollar industry.
Absolutely. So, like you said, your bosses are going to be there because you call your audience your bosses. How is it to get a first-hand reaction out of them when you are on stage and when they are reacting to your songs and singing it together? What does it feel like?
You have to come to my live show if you really want to understand what Desi hip hop is.
True.
See my hardcore fans there. They're going to come through looking like Bohemia. They're going to sweat like me. They're going to scream like me. It's full of emotion. It's full of expression.
एक चीज़ है जो कि हमने ये इंटरव्यू जो है वो शुरू किया legendary singers का नाम लेके, चाहे किशोर दा हो, रफ़ी साहब हो, लता जी हो, नूर जहाँ जी हो, all of those, right? So any song that you go back and listen to theirs, any favorite of theirs that you have in your mind?
Man, all their songs are my favorites, man.
Yeah.
All the songs. I mean, we forgot to mention Mohammed Rafi ji.
Bilkul.
I have a beautiful remix with his song called
Likhe Jo Khat
Jo Khat Tujhe.
Yeah.
So we're going to perform that. That's one of my favorite songs.
Wow. Wow.
DJ Roche Blaze. Shout out to Roche Blaze who remixed that track. Man, if you really study my music, I am a regurgitation of so much that I've heard as a kid, which is Lataji's music.
True.
Kishore Da's music.
Yeah.
Mukesh, that was also one of my favorite singers. I mentioned R.D. Burman. We come all the way up to A.R. Rahman ji, these artists, Hari Haran ji, who sang a lot of A.R.G's compositions. You come all the way up to Daler Mehndi ji, he did the whole Bolta Ra Ra. I mean, you come all the way. I'm a inspiration of. I've taken inspiration from all those artists, man. Just because my genre is very different it maybe sounds surprising to people, but you listen to my songs like Ek Tera Pyar, Ban Meri प्रीत कर अमर है प्रीत, बन मेरी मीत कर अमर है प्रीत, बन जाओ मीत मेरे ये प्रीत अमर कर दो,
बिल्कुल
होठों से छू लो तुम, जगजीत सिंह जी. You see what I mean? So my inspirations come from all those legendary singers. I think today's youth, sometimes because of me, they get connected to all these OGs, and that's also a very satisfying thing. So hey, it's all of them.
But getting out of retro music, if I may ask you, do you actually listen to other commercial music too?
My wife doesn't listen to a lot of my music, so because of her, I get to listen to a lot of good music, not just rap music.
Yeah.
So I have love for all kinds of music.
When Bohemia is not actually making music, how does Bohemia chill?
I like bicycling, cycle se mohabbat.
Yeah.
Reading a lot. You know, I'm into science.
Wow.
Aliens.
Wow.
सरप्राइज हो गया ना
बहुत ही ज्यादा.
Yeah.
इसलिए मैं सुनना चाह रहा हूँ ये कहाँ से मतलब why?
Yeah. I like to explore, man. You know, I made my life into a life where I don't have to do much. My fans take care of me. They give me everything. I don't buy these diamonds and chains. ये सब fans ने दिया है. मेरे पास नहीं है पैसे खरीदने के लिए भाई. तो I don't have to do anything. My fans love me. I'm a fakir. They give me everything that I need. Wow. So that's why I have a lot of time. So जब आपके पास time होता है ना, that's when you do all this research about aliens. So I do that.
That is one of the most surprising things that I've heard. I mean, I never expected this in this interview for sure.
I'm Villa, bro.
But, no. But yeah.
I don't take time to make songs. My songs take 15-20 minutes to make. I just chill until the work's there. I make my music. Takes about half an hour to do a song.
Wow.
And then I have the whole day to be Villa and look up stars and to research for aliens.
Is that a star
Where are
or
the
a
aliens?
spaceship?
Exactly, yeah.
Oh wow! So you've done so many collabs with so many different artists. Any one that is very memorable to you in the sense, oh wow, ये मजा आ गया यार करके.
All of them. I love it. Especially working with new artists.
Yeah.
Unheard artists. Some artists I work with are like just working on literally their first or second song.
Wow.
And I'll work with them.
And you don't say no to them?
I don't say no to them. I'm a Robin Hood.
Wow.
मुझे मेरे fans ने ये स्टार वार बना तो दिया है, but my job is to give it all back to them. I'm not gonna sit with them कि नहीं मैं तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया हूँ, तो बहुत बड़ा हो, unreachable हो. No, I take all that, give it back to the youngest artist, नया artist. मुझे लोग बोलते हैं भाई ये तो कोई भी नहीं, आप तो लेजेंड है, इसके साथ क्यों काम कर रहे हो? Well, इसीलिए तो कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज उसी ने तो मुझे लेजेंड बनाया. और ये लेजेंड स्टार वार ये बातें होती हैं, असल में होता है कि what can you give back? And the biggest satisfaction I get is to work with an artist that's literally starting. अच्छा उससे क्या होता है? It reminds me of the time when I started.
Yeah.
You see, उसकी जो हंगर है, उसका जो प्यार है, पैशन, अच्छा फिक्र है उसको. अरे यार भाई ये गाना, हाँ भाई को कितने गाने हो गए बनाते हैं, राइट? अब मुझे तो वो वाली फिक्र तो नहीं है ना पहले गाने वाली.
बिल्कुल
कि भाई अब मैं तेरे साथ गाना बोहेमिया बन के बना रहा हूँ, बनने के लिए नहीं बना रहा. I'm not trying to make this song so I can be Bohemia. I'm already Bohemia,
Absolutely.
Bro. So I have no pressure, zero pressure.
Yeah.
On top of that मैं पूछता हूँ भाई ये गाने में तेरे क्या रैप करूँ?
हाँ.
कहते सर जो आप करते हो.
हाँ.
क्या लिखूं? जो लिखना है लिख दो. So no one is telling me what to do.
Absolutely. Yeah.
There's no, I can literally write whatever comes to my mind and agla banda like wow. So that's a blessing, bro. Like that's an amazing, it's a dream type of job. You know, I don't know what I'm getting paid for. Just to be myself, just to love music. वो है. And तो youngest artist के साथ काम करने का सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. Because it's that brand new feeling that he has, and you know, and just the love that they have for music, and I think that passion should never die.
This question, maybe you will want to answer or maybe not, is because of the fact
I don't want to answer.
No, because of the
I don't want to answer this question. ये सुन के मुझे डर लग रहा है भाई.
नहीं.
हाँ, audience आप बताइए, पूछना है इनका ये बनता है कि नहीं बनता?
बिल्कुल
बनता है.
One song that you gave it your all, and that, or a song which is very close to you. You know, which is that one?
My favorite song?
Yeah.
जिस दिन मैं वो सॉन्ग बना लूंगा ना, उसके बाद गाना ही नहीं बनाऊंगा. जिस दिन वो गाना बना लूंगा ना, मेरा बस ये हो गया, उसके बाद मैं पेन रख दूंगा, गाना ही नहीं बनाऊंगा। आप बताइए, एवरीथिंग इज इन द पास्ट ब्रो। जो मैंने बना लिया वो बना लिया ना, बस बहुत हो गया, बना लिया गाना। अभी बताओ ना क्या हो, आज बताओ क्या बनाओगे। So I want to live in the now, you know. I don't want to live कि हाँ याद है मेरा गाना जो मैंने बनाया
वो वाला,
वो हाँ नहीं, वो बना लिया ना बस। हमसे हमारे जो उस्ताद हैं, जो हमारे जिनको हम लुक अप करते हैं, उन्होंने जो किया, हमने तो उनके मतलब पैरों के पास भी नहीं पहुंच सके। जिन स्टार्स के हमने नाम लेके आज का स्टूडियो, आज का इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट किया,
बिल्कुल
बदर हम उनके पैरों के पास भी नहीं पहुंच सके। हम उनको चाय देने वाले की भी मेरी औकात नहीं है किशोरदा को। क्या म्यूजिक। मैं पूरन शाह कोटी जी जो है, ही इज द उस्ताद ऑफ हंसराज हंस, ही इज द उस्ताद ऑफ गुरदास मान। मैं उनको मिलने गया था मास्टर सलीम सर के साथ। सलीम साहब को मैंने एक रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि आपने पूरन शाह कोटी जी को नहीं बताना मैं म्यूजिक करता हूँ। मेरी औकात नहीं है उनको बताना कि मैं एक म्यूजिशियन हूँ, मुझे म्यूजिक के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता उन लोगों के आगे। सो कुछ नहीं अचीव किया ब्रो, अभी बहुत कुछ करना है, आपकी दुआ रही तो करें। आर्टिस्ट यूजुअली आर मिसअंडरस्टूड, दैट इज द केस विद सम ऑफ माय म्यूजिक टू। बहुत सा मेरा म्यूजिक जो है वो फैंस ने मिसअंडरस्टूड किया, मिसअंडरस्टूड। कितने सालों तक मेरी और हनी भाई की वो चली, क्या कहते हैं, क्या हो, हनी वर्सेस बोहेमियन सर। उसकी बुनियाद क्या थी? जब हमारा सपोजिटली ये जो बीफ था, ये बड़ा उस पे था, अरे तो एक दूसरे को मिलेंगे तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा। भाई होटल में साथ बैठे हैं, चाय पी रहे हैं।
So is this all made up, and why doesn't anyone
sadly
address that actually as an artist?
We did. I tried all my life. I tried. Fans respect him. I respect him. You know, me and Neha. You know Neha Kakkar. We used to hang out in Dubai. Actually, हम नाच रहे हैं, दिल है आज दिल है सानी सानी, उस पे नाच रहे हैं। Those videos are out. But somehow they weren't picked up by the media. Media का फायदा नहीं था। कंट्रोवर्सी में फायदा था। कंट्रोवर्सी से आपकी पोस्ट बिकती है। नो वन लाइक्ड कि हाँ दोस्ती है यारी है, दे लाइक्ड कि हाँ लड़ाई है, हाँ अब मजा आया। दैट्स रियली सैड थिंग एज अ आर्टिस्ट टू रियलाइज, यू नो। A lot of my tracks, De Tara was dissing Honey Paji, you know.
I mean, I'm one of those too, like a few of them.
I said Popo di mere te akh minu karan chale कैद। क्या किया? मैनू करन चले कैद, और तो हनी सिंह मुझे कैद करेगा। Popo means police.
Yeah.
I'm talking about police. They were like, oh, Popo, he's making fun of Yo-Yo when calling him Popo.
Yeah.
It makes no sense. Why would I call Yo-Yo Popo? हम वहाँ से आए हैं कि जहाँ से अगर हमारी किसी से लड़ाई है, बचपन से मेरी आदत थी, हम जाएंगे उनके घर, उनका नॉक करेंगे डोर, बाहर आओ, ये है लड़ाई हमारे लिए। That's me.
सुलझा दो, उलझाओ ना,
अभी सुलझाओ उसको।
Yeah.
ये है लड़ाई।
Yeah.
ये थोड़ी है कि हमने पोपो को यो-यो बोल दिया, यो-यो को पोपो। No, that's fake. That was never the Popo means police in California. Popo di mere te ak means Popo is
true.
Police wale minu karan chale कैद because they wanna arrest me. I wouldn't say कि Honey Singh wants to arrest me. It makes no sense. तो पूरी तो lyrics तो सुन लो भाई. I have never made a diss song, first of all. That's what I'm trying to tell you. If I have a problem with somebody, you best believe I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to pick up the phone and we're going to deal with it. I'm not going to make a song about you. गाने में लड़ना झगड़ना या किसी को बुरा बोलना एक कमजोर इंसान की निशानी है।
बिल्कुल।
गाली निकालना है, ड्राइवर गाड़ी चला, उसको ड्राइवर पे गुस्सा कर दिया, अबे खाना ला मेरा, उस पे गुस्सा कर, एक बंदा जो काम कर रहा है उस पे गुस्सा कर दिया।
बिल्कुल।
ये इसमें कोई बड़ापन नहीं है, ये छोटे बंदे की निशानी है। लेकिन प्यार से डील करना ये बड़े बंदे की निशानी है, ठहराव लाना ये बड़े बंदे की निशानी है। तो टू मी डिस सॉन्ग जो है वो, अगर तू ऑलरेडी लिख रहा है डिस, तो तू ऑलरेडी तंग हुआ है, तो तू इसको ऑलरेडी हारा हुआ
So and do you ever tell your fans that guys chill? I mean, we are all from the same industry.
I do, but then I don't. क्यों? वो फैन का राइट है।
आप उसका
मतलब हाँ, आपको अगर मेरे गाने पे मजाक बनाना है, उड़ाना है, उड़ाओ आप। जब तक मैंने गाना बना दिया, अब वो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है।
बिल्कुल।
अब आपने गाड़ी ले ली ना, हाँ। अब इस गाड़ी को लाते मारो या अब गाड़ी तो आपकी है ना, अब वो जीएमसी वाले आके तो नहीं बोलेंगे हे गाड़ी को लात, आप बोलोगे मैंने खरीद ली गाड़ी, मेरी होगी, मैं लात मारूंगी इसमें, बैठूंगी मैं उसमें, गंद करूंगी, साफ करूँ इसको. So that's song is your property, bro. We as artists, like I said, my fans are my boss. At that level, at entertainment level, do whatever you want to do. You know, I like this guy, I don't like this, like I like this guy better, I like that. वो सब ठीक है. Not more than that though. अब boxers हैं. बिल्कुल. Boxer, आप boxer, मैं boxer हूँ. रिंग में हम दोनों को पिला दो ग्लव्स, हम पड़ जाएंगे एक दूसरे को, मारेंगे मुक्के घुमा के, लेकिन वही हम रिंग के बाहर मिलें, लड़ पड़ें. That's not boxers, right? That's not sportsmanship.
True.
That's not professionalism. रिंग के बाहर हम मिलेंगे, एक दूसरे को हाथ मिलाएंगे, घर वालों को पूछेंगे कैसा भाई, घर वाले कैसे हैं.
You also feel that a lot of rappers वो एवं जो है वो गालियां जो है डाल देते हैं गानों में, उसका कोई मकसद नहीं है. Do you actually are for it? I mean, yeah, but this is a question I had to ask you again, right?
एवं गाली नहीं, गाली तो हमेशा एवं ही होती है. गाली तो हमेशा एवं ही होती है. गाली, अब गाली बेचारी बदनाम होती है, लेकिन हाय हाय हाय, गाली की जिंदगी देखो क्या है ना. मैं गालियों की साइड लेता हूँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मैं गालियों की साइड पे हूँ. क्यों? इंसान एक तो गाली को यूज करता है, और जब यूज करता है ना तो वो अपना काम करती है. गाली डट के अपना काम करती है, जाके लगती है किसी के दिल में. बिल्कुल राइट. हाँ. लेकिन उसके बाद तुम बोलते हो नहीं गाली की बुराई करते हो, बड़ी बुरी चीज है. नहीं, जब तुम उसकी यूज करते हो तब तो वो तुम्हारे लिए खिदमत करती है तुम्हारी. बिल्कुल. फिर बोलते हो बुरी है ना. गाली यार, बेचारी गाली की जिंदगी बड़ी खराब है.
अच्छा, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले
मैं गालियों के राइट्स पे मैं ना कैंपेन करना चाहता हूँ कि गालियां जो है ना, ये देखें. हाँ. वो लाइव, हम लाइव है रेडियो पे और हमें तलविंदर का कॉल आ रहा है.
ओए ओए, क्या बात है जी. And
Talvinder, what's good, man?
What's good, brother? How are you?
Very good, bro. I'm live on radio. You called me, I'm on live on radio. I'm gonna take you on live on radio right now. Say what's up to Dubai.
Let's go.
Say what's up to Dubai.
How are you?
That's right, that's right. We got Talvinder on the phone, guys.
Oh my God, this is absolutely
the masked man.
You want me to give them a verse on the radio right now?
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Okay, give me closer to the mic.
You're on the mic, right?
On the mic.
I'm gonna show you the video, bro. You're on the video and you're on the mic. Watch.
All right, sir. All right.
Let's do it.
Okay, ਤੈਥੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਮੈਂ ਖੋਇਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ. Okay, ਤੈਥੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਮੈਂ ਖੋਇਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ. ਅੱਧਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ. ਕਿਉਂ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਏ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਬਾਤ. ਕਿਉਂ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਰੋਸ਼ਨੀ ਦੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾ ਜਾ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ. ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾ ਜਾ, ਹੱਥਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੱਥ ਤੂੰ ਪਾ ਜਾ. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜੋ ਵੇਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ, ਐਸੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਜਾ. Thank you, Maji.
Guys, whoa, bro, this ये आपके लिए special interview जो है ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही special हो गया. बिल्कुल. Talvinder in the house, guys. You know, my young brother, the superstar.
And I'll call you after.
ठीक है, bro. I'm gonna hop off this radio and hit you up.
All right, there you
Love
go.
you, bro.
This only happens live right here on 89.1 Radio 4. Talvinder, you just heard him live as well. Bomiya Paji to hai hi hain sade kol. Now the whole deal is that a little while back you made a mention, like we were talking about a car, and you said GMC. And we all know you like your Denali.
That's right.
And the Kali Denalis. Where did that start from? Like, again, I had this question in my mind always.
Just Cadillac, man.
Yep.
I love Cadillacs. Cadillac is a car that I think defines
G car.
my.
Yeah,
It's a.
yeah.
You know, we in California, we like them big body Cadillacs.
The hubcaps, like
with
spinning away.
some big rims
Yeah.
that you can barely turn your car around. You feel me? We like them Cadillacs, bro. I don't like the new small, choti, you know, gadiyan. We like we like them gangster mobiles, and it's just it's something that just kind of like became synonymous with Bohemia.
Yeah.
Cadillac.
It does.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, whenever anyone says Bohemia, the first thing that hits you is the Kali Denali.
Exactly.
You know, it's like the big Denali
Yeah.
sign just comes in your face, right?
काली दिनाली गड्डी दे शीशे काले मेरे पीछे पीछे लगे 24 घंटे पुलिस वाले.
Whoa!